Hey there, we are working on a 2005 Ford Excursion diesel. I believe this is the same setup on all of their vehicles as far as getting these taillights off. You're going to need a T15 Torx bit, and the bulb I'm putting back in here is the reverse light, a 3156 if I recall correctly. And we're putting an LED back in there. It is recommended when you do these to put a fair bit of dielectric grease on that bulb when you push it back into the socket. It'll help it make better connection without some of the rust shorting out issues that you have with these. And if you haven't ever seen that, what it is when you put one of these LEDs especially in there, it'll be just really dim and you might think you've got defective LEDs. In reality, it's just got a bad connection. So when you put these in, it's also helpful in the socket to move it in and out of the socket. I'm sure I'll get some kind of a crude comment about that, but move it around to that socket, make sure you've got a good solid connection, help break loose any rust that might be preventing a good connection, and you'll have a better chance of your bulb working. Oh yeah, that is a very smoky, opaque bulb, so I imagine that one is bad. All you have to do, there go all my stainless steel screws on the ground. To remove this, just turn it counterclockwise. It'll pop out. These bulbs just pull out, but I'll let you listen to that. That is a crunchy sounding bulb because it has fried. We'll see how this goes. Move it around there. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Let's get her back in here. Okay. I'm going to start one of those screws. It's a good idea to do this with a hand screwdriver, but since it's about 24 degrees out here last I checked, I'm going to use an automatic drill. Okay. Let's see if we got light now. That seems a little bit dim. These bulbs are supposed to be quite a bit brighter than that. I usually use a magnet to hold all my screws, but these screws are apparently stainless steel. That does not seem right. There we go. Yeah, that's getting a bad connection. I may need to replace that. Seems fairly good. I don't know how this looks on the camera. I can only imagine this is some poor quality cinematic masterpiece here. Okay. Typically, any LED you put in should be significantly brighter than the previous bulb. If it's not, there's likely a bad connection. You just need to sort out the connection issue. Okay, put those four T15 screws back in, and you are in business. Here's the dielectric grease. I don't know how much of that you'll be able to see either of those lights behind you. Just CRC dielectric little pump bottle. It's a good idea to get some extra if you're working on your car very often. Stuff comes in handy. If this video was at all helpful for you, I'd certainly appreciate a like and subscribe. It helps our channel grow. And if you think it'd help a friend, definitely send it over to them. I'll give you a little picture, show you the LED versus the incandescent bulb. This is a dirty truck. The LED puts out substantially more light. Thanks again for watching.